Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make these HUICHOL flowers, seed bead earrings, and you can make fringe earrings with it as well. And this is how the fringe will look like. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. Okay, so these are the colors that I have used. You're free to use any color of bead that you'd like. I also used size 11 seed beads. So you'll start by picking 12 black beads and you pull them towards the end of your thread. Now you will pass your needle through all the beads. So pass the needle back through the beads. Okay, so now you will tie a double knot and make sure that your knot is very tight. So tie a double knot. Okay, so now you will cut off your extra tail of thread. And now you'll use your lighter to melt it off. And yeah, so that's what we have. Now you'll pass your needle through one bead. So now we're ready to start working on our flower. So now you pick 5 yellow beads and you will skip one bead. Remember, skip one bead and you pass your needle through the next bead. So skip one bead, pass your needle through the next bead. Okay, so now pick 5 yellow beads and you skip one bead and you will pass your needle through the next bead. So this is what you'll do in this first step. So just pick 5 yellow beads and you skip one bead. Remember to skip one bead and you pass your needle through the next. So now pick 5 yellow beads, skip one bead and pass your needle through the next. So repeat until you get to the end of your circle. So just pick 5 yellow beads, skip one bead and pass your needle through the next bead. Okay, so this is the final step for this circle. So now you pick 5 beads as usual and you skip one bead and you pass the needle through the next. In this case, the next bead is our first bead. So just do the same thing, pass your needle through that bead. And now we have a complete circle. So now to start working on our next circle, you'll pass your needle through the 2 yellow beads. Sorry, now we want to make the flower bigger. So pass your needle through the 2 yellow beads and now you'll pick 5 yellow beads and you'll skip one bead and you'll pass your needle through the next bead. Make sure your thread is tight. Always make sure this. And the next step is you'll pick one black bead and you'll pass your needle through the second yellow bead. Okay? Good. So next you'll pick 5 yellow beads and you skip one bead and you'll pass your needle through the next bead. So do this for this stage. You'll just pick 5 yellow beads and then the next step will just pick one black bead. So now pick one black bead and you'll pass your needle through the second yellow bead. So just do the same repetition. So pick five yellow beads, and you pass the needle through the second yellow bead, and then the next step is black bead. Okay, so now we are at the end. Now you'll just pass your needle as usual through the second bead, but this time I want you to pass it through two more beads. So in total, you'll pass the needle through 3 beads. Okay, so pass your needle through the second bead and then 2 extra beads. So 3 beads. So now we are done with our second circle, our second flower. Sorry, I don't know what to call it. So next you'll pick 5 light orange beads, and you will skip 1 yellow bead, and you'll pass your needle through the next bead. As you can see, it's a repetition. You just pick 5 beads and skip 1 bead and then back through the next. So next you'll pick 1 yellow, 1 black, and 1 yellow, and you'll pass your needle through the second yellow bead. Okay, so just like that. And then next you'll just pick 5 light orange beads, and you'll skip 1 bead and you pass your needle through the next bead. Next, you will pick 1 yellow, 1 black, and 1 yellow, and you pass your needle through the second yellow bead. So just remember that we are repeating this. Just repeat doing this 5 light orange, then followed by 1 yellow, 1 black, and 1 yellow. Okay, so the last step, just 1 yellow, 1 black, 1 yellow as usual, and you pass the needle through the second yellow bead as usual. But now you will pass it through 2 more beads. So in total, you will pass it through 3 beads. So that is the yellow bead and 2 light orange beads. Okay, so we are done with our flower. Now the next step is picking 5 orange beads. The orange is just a darker shade of the light orange. So pick 5 and you skip 1 bead and you pass your needle through the next bead. Make sure your work is tight. Next, you will pick 3 light orange. And now I want you to pass the needle through the black bead in the middle. So pass your needle through the black bead. Okay, next you will pick 3 light orange beads and you pass the needle through the second light orange beads. Now you'll pick 5 orange beads and skip 1 light orange and you pass your needle through the next bead. So skip 1 bead and you pass your needle through the next bead. Okay, next you'll pick 3 light orange and you pass your needle through the black bead. Okay, now pick 3 light orange and you pass your needle through the second light orange bead. So it's a repetition. Always remember that in this stage we are passing the needle through the black bead. So 5 orange, followed by 3 light orange, then followed by 3 light orange, then followed by orange beads. So just repeat this. Yeah. Okay, so when you're done with that row, the very last step is passing your needle through the second light orange and through the 2 orange. So pass your needle through the 3 beads. That is 1 light orange and 2 orange. So we are done with our flower. Now we want to increase it. Now you'll start by picking 5 red beads and you'll skip 1 orange and you'll pass your needle through the next bead. So skip 1 bead and you pass your needle through the next. So next you'll pick 3 orange beads and I want you to pass it through the second light orange. Remember we picked 3 orange beads, 3 light orange beads. Now you'll pass it through the middle light orange bead. So pass your needle through the middle light orange. Make sure your thread is tight. Next, you'll pick 1 black bead and you pass your needle through the middle light orange bead, which is the second light orange. So when you're done, you'll pick 3 orange and you pass your needle through the second orange bead. And you'll pick 5 red beads and you'll skip 1 bead and you pass your needle through the next. Okay, next you will pick 3 orange and you pass your needle through the second light orange, which is the middle light orange bead. And next you'll pick 1 black bead, pass your needle through the middle light orange. Pick 3 orange and you pass it through the second orange bead. And now you'll pick 5 red beads and you skip 1 bead and you pass it through the next bead. So just repeat doing this for this stage. Okay, so when you're done, of course you'll pick your 3 orange beads and as usual you pass your needle through the second orange plus 2 red beads. So pass your needle through 3 beads, which is the orange and plus 2 red beads. So we are done. So now the next step is picking 3 red beads. So this time we are picking 3 and not 5. So 3 red beads, and you skip 1 bead as usual. Pass your needle through the next. Okay, next you will pick 3 red beads and you pass your needle through the middle orange bead. Remember, we picked 3 orange beads, so now you'll pass your needle through the middle orange bead. Okay, now you'll pick 3 black beads and you'll pass your needle through the middle orange bead. Okay, now pick 3 red beads and you'll pass your needle through the second red bead. Now pick 3 red beads. Remember, we are picking 3 and not 5. Skip 1 bead and you pass the needle through the next bead. Pick 3 red beads, pass your needle through the middle orange bead. Now pick 3 black beads and you pass the needle through the middle orange bead. So just repeat this until you come to the end of the flower. Okay, so we've come to the end of our flower. As usual, you end it with 3 red beads. And you'll pass your needle through the second red bead. Okay, so now we want a place where we're going to place the earring hook. So now you'll pass your needle through 4 red beads. Okay, so now you'll start picking 11 black beads. Okay, now I want you to skip 4 and pass the needle back through the 5th black bead. Okay, now I want you to pick 6 black beads and you'll pass your needle through the 3rd red bead as shown in the video. So we are done. If you want to, you can make a fringe. Your fringe will start here to here. Okay, but we are done in this case. So this is how your fringe and your flowers will look like. Yeah, remember, you're free to use any color. So now you can place your earring hook. Your earring hooks is easy to place. Just use your pliers and you are done. So remember, you can play with your beads. You can just make them with 1 bead color if you want to, or 2 or 3. The choice is yours. So it's a free world. You can do whatever you like. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.